Imagine this. You've invested your hard-earned money into a liquidity pool mining venture, only to find out it's a scam. The shock, the disappointment, the loss, it's all too real. But what if I told you there's a way to recover from this unfortunate situation? Cryptocurrency is a volatile and risky market, no doubt. But it's also a market that's filled with opportunities. One such opportunity is the Legitcryptoscamrecovery. This is a service that specializes in helping victims of crypto scams get their money back. Now, you might be wondering how this works. Well, it's a complex process that involves tracking the blockchain transactions, identifying the scammers, and legally pursuing them to recover the lost funds. It's not an easy task, but with the right expertise and dedication, it's possible. But here's the thing. Not all crypto scam recovery services are created equal. Some are just as fraudulent as the scams they claim to fight against. That's why it's crucial to do your research and choose a reputable service. Recovering from a liquidity pool mining scam is not the end of your crypto journey. It's just a bump in the road. With Legitcryptoscamrecovery, you can pick up the pieces and continue on your path to financial freedom. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrency, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep exploring.